One last summer trip before Labor Day, it's best to avoid the water tomorrow through Thursday, especially Wednesday. Hurricane Franklin expected to bring some rough surf to the ocean state. Waves could get as high as 6 to 8 feet, and officials suggest staying off the jetties and away from the water due to dangerous rip currents.
Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
So the wave and rip current risk increasing tomorrow evening and really peaking on probably Wednesday and Thursday, and it may actually extend into Friday as well. We're going to cover that in more detail in just a second. It's a quiet night. Skies are mostly cloudy. We do have on the satellite and radar composite some precipitation offshore. We're going to watch this as some of this will try to graze the south shore tomorrow, but new information coming in still points to, well, even though there's the chance for a few showers tomorrow, just think most of the time it's actually dry, so we don't have a washout on the way. Actually, a better chance for showers scattered and thunderstorms coming up on Wednesday. All right, let's get to the tropics and two significant systems. One is Hurricane Franklin, which is well offshore, and what is soon to be a Hurricane Idalia near the western tip of Cuba and unfortunately heading towards Florida, anticipated to become a major hurricane. Look at this well-defined eye. This is a 150-mile-per-hour hurricane in the Atlantic. Again, this will stay offshore, but it's going to increase our waves and rip currents and surf over the next several days. Here's Florida, west coast. And get the latest on Idalia, which is right on the bottom, right over here. Winds just shy of hurricane strength. Hurricane warning Tampa points north, tropical storm warning south of Tampa. Anticipated to become at least a Category 3 major hurricane, making landfall early on Wednesday morning on the Big Bend of Florida. Tampa is right in here. The exact track will determine the storm surge, but the surge in Tampa Bay maybe as high as 7 feet. Into the Big Bend of Florida, the surge may be as high as 12 feet. But even before Wednesday morning, impacts are going to be felt starting tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Idalia curves back out into the open Atlantic by the end of the week on Friday and Saturday, well south of New England as a tropical storm, and it may still throw back some waves during that time as well. But it's Franklin is the storm that'll really kick the surf up. This is our wave height forecast model. These ocean swells are going to propagate towards the coastline, peaking on Wednesday with dangerous surf, dangerous rip currents. And then when Idalia comes offshore later in the week as a weakening tropical storm, may still send back some big waves here by later Thursday into Friday. All right, closer to home, it's a quiet night. We've got temperatures now in the middle 60s, including 66 in Providence. It's tranquil in Providence, no precipitation yet. And again, I really don't see much in the way of widespread rain coming up for tomorrow. A few showers on Tuesday, better chance on Wednesday, then watching that potential for strong surf and rip currents by midweek. So for tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy skies, a passing shower, perhaps leaning towards the south shore. This is not a washout or a widespread rain at all. And then during the afternoon, mostly cloudy. Wouldn't rule out a little partial sun, temperatures in the lower 70s, slight chance of a passing shower. Just feel as though there'll be many hours of dry weather. Beaches, it's mainly cloudy, a passing shower both morning and afternoon. The better chance is along the south shore. Bay forecast has an east wind at 5 to 10 knots. All right, 7-day forecast, better chance for rain and thunder on Wednesday. Look at that stretch of weather Thursday right through the holiday weekend. Looking good. Saturday, Sunday, and Labor Day Monday with sunshine and a warming trend Sunday and Monday. Mike?